Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that if you're returning. How are you today? In today's video, I want to talk about something that's very important, something that's been weighing on my brain for a while. And it is, what would you do if you literally had like 5 minutes to get out of your house, okay? Or wherever it is that you're staying. What are the few things that you would grab to get out, okay? And I'm talking beyond your bug out bag, okay? A lot of people don't think to put their important papers, hi Stormy Bug, their important papers in their bug out bags. They don't think to put a lot of things in their bug out bags. They just think survival. They think tools, Mylar blanket, emergency food, things of that sort, okay? So what we did was we have this fire safe here, right here, okay? And right here in this safe, we have every important document. And this is kept close to us at all times. So say like in the middle of the night, the house catches on fire, okay? This is literally within reach. Grab it, go, okay? Every important document that we will ever need is in this safe. Now, what is something else that I would grab? What is something else that you would grab? Well, my EDC is in my purse. What is something else that I would grab? All of my medications. My heart medication, my cholesterol medication, my thyroid medication. Okay, I'm on a lot of medications. You guys know this, okay? And plus, I also have this thing that I, sort my medication out into because there's stuff that I have to take at night, stuff that I have to take during the day, that type of thing. So, there's a lot of things as people who prepare, we have to take into consideration, that I don't think a lot of people do think about. It's, I've said in so many different videos, because people have questioned me, well, what's the one thing that would make you bug out? Well, my house would literally have to be on fire. So I try and wrap my brain around that, and I try and put myself in that situation. And what is the few things that I would grab? These. My pets, we have done dry runs on how long it would take us to grab these guys, throw them in the car, and let's go. The dogs are trained to, if we were to open up the garage door, they know to go right to the car. Open the door, they jump in. The cats, that's another story. So to wrangle up 8 cats is not an easy thing to do. So we have kennels. Grab them, put them in the kennel. We can fit 3 cats in 1 kennel because we don't have the very large kennels because they would not be able to fit in our cars, right? So we have these medium-sized kennels, okay? So we have 3 of those kennels and we could fit 3 cats in 1 kennel. So we have 3 of those kennels and they fit nicely in the back seat of our cars. Put the dogs in one car, the kennels for the cats in the other car, because we have our car and then we have Andrew's car. So it literally would take us, just to wrangle these guys together, It would take us about 3 minutes. So to grab the bug out bags, our safe meds, EDC, well, my purse, which I refer to as my EDC, Sean's bug out bag, but we keep our bug out bags in the garage. So there, it's not something really that we have to go searching for. You know what I mean? And to get out of Dodge, it would take about 5 minutes. We hope it never ever has to come to that, but we are prepared to do that. So what are the things besides your bug out bag would you grab if you had only 5 minutes? And have you done dry runs? And if you have not done dry runs, would you be willing to do dry runs to see how long it does take you? Because I'm curious to know. Because I know everyone's situation is completely different than mine. But I'd like to know, okay? And do you have a safe with all of your important paperwork, like the deeds to your house, you know, your insurance paperwork, you know, your life insurance, your birth certificates, your social security cards, you know what I mean? Your banking information. You know, these are things that honestly, if they were to burn up, you know, in a house fire or something, it's not something that like you can't go and get copies of. But a lot of times, those are things that would take time to replace. So why not try and save the originals? So you don't have to try and replace them. And it could sometimes take weeks, if not months, to replace them. So that's, you know, why I try and save everything, the originals. We also have pictures, you know, physical pictures of everything that's in the house and stuff like that in here as well. We also have heirlooms in here, you know, like, you know, important family things in here that cannot ever be replaced too. So anyway, all right, that's all for this video, guys. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay positive, keep prepping, and fear less. Bye. Hi, Penelope. Bye.